Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota 4Runner maintenance light. First, turn your ignition key to the on position, but do not start the engine. Make sure your odometer is showing the total mileage, not a trip meter. Then, turn the ignition key completely to the off position. This sets up the initial state for the reset process. Next, press and hold the trip odometer reset button. While still holding it down, turn the ignition key back to the on position. Keep holding the button for approximately 10 to 15 seconds. You'll notice the maintenance light on your dashboard will begin to flash, indicating you are entering the reset sequence. As you continue to hold the button, the maintenance light will flash rapidly for a few moments. After this flashing, the light will turn off completely, signaling a successful reset. Once the light is off, you can release the trip odometer reset button. This confirms that the system has registered the maintenance reset. Finally, start your engine to confirm that the maintenance light remains off. If it does, you've successfully reset it. This method is common for many Toyota 4Runner models. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for the most accurate and specific instructions for your particular model year.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.